Hello, Kirk Lanier here at Mission Ridge Range and Academy. I'm joined today by Drew, and we're going to be talking about red dot optics. So these have really grown in popularity, Drew, over the last few years. Who comes in and has the benefit of using a red dot?
Yeah, everyone can come in and get a red dot and have some improvement with it. Mostly we see them for people who are trying to do competitions because they allow you to get some faster target acquisition.
Yeah.
As well as people who are looking for home defense because it allows you a really nice, clean aiming solution to shoot your firearm.
Okay, and so is that pretty much it? Is it handguns and ARs typically that you're going to use a red dot on, or are there any other uses for it?
Absolutely. You can mount these on shotguns, you can mount these on little Ruger 1022s or like a Marlin lever action rifle. So like with this Romeo 4T, you can actually get a low mount Picatinny that allows you to mount that optic much lower.
Okay.
So that way you can still get a good cheek weld on your rifle or shotgun.
Do you switch to a different variety of red dot when you use them for an AR?
So you definitely can switch to a different variety of red dots for an AR. You can use your traditional pistol-sized red dot sight, which is just your easy reflex, or you can use an enclosed emitter like this Trijicon MRO, or a holographic sight like this EOTech. With an AR, sometimes we'll be engaging targets that are a little bit further than your standard 25 meters, and so you may need to use a magnifier as well. And you can use magnifiers with traditional reflex sights or with holographic sights.
So the magnifier, do they work together?
They do work together. It will sit behind the optic, so your reflex sight or your holographic sight, it'll sit behind that. And it will just allow you to quickly switch back and forth from either 3 times or to 0 magnification like traditional.
So the smaller dot, is there a use for that that's different than a larger dot?
Absolutely. A smaller dot is going to be easier to be more precise with, whereas a larger dot is going to be much easier to find quickly and put a shot on a target easier and faster.
So what do I do if maybe I have an older firearm that I'd like to add a red dot to?
Yeah, so you can either send it out to get custom slide cuts, or you can do a dovetail mount, which would remove your rear sight and then allow you to mount any type of optic on it that you'd like.
That's great.
Everything that y'all are needing for your red dots, we can do here at Mission Ridge. So
that's
this
great.
is a one-stop shop.
So all of these that you see here on display, from the EOTech to the SIG, the Trijicon, these are all items we have here at Mission Ridge Range and Academy. You can come visit us here at the store, or you can visit us online at missionridgerange.com. Thanks for joining us for another 2-Minute Tea Tip.